That's the limit.
Just below the freezing temperature of water.
Oh, very nice. How are we using this?
I was looking forward for today.
See, my eyes hurting. You see, sun is coming. The spoiler in the back is too much for me.
Welcome to Pascal's channel. How he does all this, he's about to explain now. What are our thoughts this early morning? What are you thinking, man?
What I'm feeling right now is it's cold outside. But we're trying to make an action-packed movie about the Honda Civic you're about to see. Yeah, with the kind help of my two friends. What's your part on this job?
I'm doing sound. I'm sound guy today. I just remembered.
Alright, okay, we're all professionals. Danilo? So what's your part on this job?
I'm gonna be the DP cam up today.
Yes.
Yeah.
This time around it's not my part.
Yeah.
I'm directing today.
So if the video's shit, it's my fault.
Kinda, but also our fault.
Everything you saw, we're about to do, so let's go.
You're setting up the drone right now, huh? Making some environmental shots, like all the surroundings here on the mountain, all the way to the other mountains, snowy mountains. We got a privilege here, right?
I've been looking forward for today because the three of us have a day to shoot this nice car, which we kindly received from Honda Switzerland. Yeah, we can do some magic today, so I was looking forward for today. And we have nice weather, we have a nice attitude, we have a nice mood, we are nice guys, so
let's see if it sticks like that. Or if it changes to
let's make a nice
else.
movie about a nice car.
So we're doing actually a quick test right now to see if we need ND filters for the drone, and then after we have our shot list right here, we try to capture similar shots to what I've gathered.
Do you want the normal or the D-Cine-like picture profile?
I'd like to have the normal one. D-Cine-like isn't like log.
It's not log. It's like log, but it's not log.
See, my eyes hurting. You see, sun is coming. Alright, I'm spotting the drone there. Yeah, this is the most important shot of all of these, if that's possible. Otherwise, you have to get in the car and drive back down.
That's the limit.
That's max altitude. That's what I meant. I think we have to drive down there. Give me something like this, yeah, like a panning shot. Yeah, tracking this road.
Have you ever wondered how Pascal does his fantastic videos? Well, this is how. A lot of delegation. No, he does a lot of pre-planning, and today he's the producer for once.
Good. The car has enough space for a production, surprisingly. Are you happy?
I'm happy, yeah. First couple shots, done.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's sit in. Huh? I open up the door for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Huh? Yeah, let's get in the car. I'm confident that we can make something cool. Like my initial thoughts were, I want to make something out of fun, out of passion and fun. Most important thing is having fun on set. So far, I'm having fun. I've seen the shots, and I think it's going to be great. Okay, let's get out.
Location 2, let's catch the drone and then move on. Scale how cold it is. It is just below the freezing temperature of water.
That's a good one. That's a good one. It's cold.
This cold.
You know
what I mean.
The guys know what we mean. Fun fact, I bought this jacket in Dubai because why would you do that? But yeah, I did. And the guy from the store didn't lie to me. He said for about -8 degrees and I'm good now. So if you see this from Dubai, thanks. Appreciate it.
Shout out.
Shout out to the guy from Super Dry store in Dubai, in the Dubai Mall. Max altitude. And this shot right here was shot, I think, about 500 meters max.
Yeah.
At max altitude. Yeah. It is what it is. We're trying our best.
So we gotta push it to the limit.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Usually it's only cold in my heart, but today it's cold in my bones.
Oh, God.
It's fantastic to drive because finally a stick shift car. I'm doing YouTube for 4 years now, and this is only the second stick shift car. The other one was an old Kia Picanto. I feel alive driving this car. I feel like I interact with another living being. The car is a petrol car, a lot of moving parts. It feels like a being. It's operating at its limit, and so it's my job to operate at my limit. Wow.
We're actually shooting on a RED Komodo today.
Yes, sir.
With the V-mount adapter module. Gonna be sick. That's called the blimp. That one. And this is the boom pole.
And this is the battery.
Why are we using this? Can you
For
tell
the
me?
wind, for the wind, and for the looks.
Yeah, just looks more professional then.
Can charge more money this way.
Yeah, just like the same with the RED camera there.
No, it's for the wind. Buffers out the wind.
Yeah.
And
cool.
we're recording into Mix Pre 3.
And we have a nice companion right here. Like
No, we got number 9. Again. The
that's
second one.
that's another one. Puro Sang, Ferrari. That's like your type of thing, right?
Puro sangue.
Puro sangue. Entschuldigung.
Quale puro sangue.
I'm sorry, I'm not speaking Italian properly.
Just joking, just joking. That means pure blood in
Oh,
Italian.
really?
Good.
How it's looking like? What do you think?
It looks sick.
For the vibes.
Ja, passt ja. Das geht schon.
Ja, das ist so.
Hopelessly behind the time, but we'll try to keep it up. To make it up. Pascal will make it up somehow.
I'm not sure if I can, but we try our best. We have multiple shots that came out very nicely. So
Yeah, we have time.
also very nice cars coming by.
Time has come, time is tight, and Pascal is in full swing now. To his wonderful beauties. Let's have a look.
Calibration. That's RED, was
Gut, bleibst du wieder rein da?
We're about to set up the POV shot.
Yes, sir. After lunch. Nein, was viel.
Soll ich weiter auf?
Pascal, are you happy?
I'm getting happy. Yeah,
What's the problem?
almost. We had difficulties with mounting the camera in the middle of between the seats because there is no sunroof and we cannot fit this suction cup into it.
Pascal and Jo just went for the POV run. I'm looking at all the equipment so nobody steals it. They went up that way. Looking forward to seeing the footage.
Crazy, man.
Crazy?
Power-wise.
Nice.
These are the last moments of the day. Sun is setting. We're doing a GoPro and Sound Run. Here are the GoPros. It is nearly done. What are your
Yep.
thoughts?
Came out better than I expected. We had some issues with the, mounting the camera between the seats, but honestly it was just a blessing to work with you guys, you two.
If I can say something about Pascal that I've realized again today, is that he is a perfectionist. The guy just never gives up until he has the perfect frame.
The end of the vlog, and it's a wrap for us today.
It's a wrap.
Thank you guys for joining me on this journey and helping me out to make this video. Without you it wouldn't be possible. So thanks for that.
Thanks for having me. It was a pleasure. I'm curious what it will look like in the end. And thank you, Honda Switzerland, for giving us a car.
Yes, thank you so much for giving us.
It's such a fun car.
Yeah, it is. It's definitely a fun car to drive and to enjoy mountain passes with friends. And yeah, it's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. If you would like to support the growth of this channel, join my Patreon and become a valued supporter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
The most interesting part of today was the time management for me, because we had a time plan and we threw it overboard almost immediately, but it still was a fun shoot.
True that. Yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you later.